All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I'm here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley, Luna at Sunstone Master Plan Community. Now Luna is a gated community that consists of about 160 something homes, and we are located on the 95 and Kyle Canyon, just on the east side of the 95. As you can see, we still got some snow in the mountains there. Gorgeous. I don't know if this camera's picking this up or not, but look at that. Gorgeous, huh? So we already done all the video home tours on here. Okay, go ahead and check the playlist out. And the playlist, I've created all these playlists for every single neighborhood and every single community. So all you got to do is just type in that search engine on top of that box there on that screen of yours on YouTube, Luna at Sunstone by Woodside Homes. Okay, all these will pop up on the playlist. You'll be able to watch all these homes. So today we're going to be focusing on this plan 2, which is plan 2 is going to be the second to the smallest. Now plan 2 consists of 1,885 square feet. It's a 2-story home, has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. You do have a loft, or it does come with a loft, covered patio, and this 2-car right here is the sales office. It's 22 feet in depth. Oh, this is nice. You kind of got like this little front porch area. This is cute. You got the Ring doorbell here. All right, let's go inside. And this one's gonna be a little bit smaller, but we're gonna do something different today. We're gonna start upstairs. All right. So let's go upstairs. Very small. This is going to be a quick video. HOAs here with the master plan community is about total $100 a month, which is not that bad. Got carpet, orange peel texture. Oh, the pricing on this, forgot to mention, is $422,490. Now, some of the models on the other ones are bigger models, but they took away from the laundry room and they had to do a double stack. On this one, you have a side-by-side, which is great, but there's no drain pan. Smart panel box, okay. Let's just go straight back here. Well, as small as this home is, it's really well designed as far as opened. 1,800 square feet, not bad. Ceilings are very low. 8-foot ceilings. Kind of feel claustrophobic here. High ceilings really opens everything up. Now on this one, you have a larger balcony. On that one was a lot smaller, and that was a lot bigger than this one. Here's the neighborhood, and you know what we're gonna do is let's get the car going already. Let's get the AC up and pumping. I gotta get rid of that Jeep. Not too sure what I want to get yet. And I'm not even too sure I don't want to spend any money on vehicles right now. Also, I want to give a thanks to like all the subscribers and all the people that have been supporting me for years. It's literally took me about 3.5 to 4 years to get to the point where now I'm actually working, you know, directly with builders, where builders are contacting me. Now they see the value in the channel. Also with like luxury agents too as well. Now they're reaching on out to me. And that's really because of you guys. And also I want to mention that I am to the point in my career now that I've accumulated enough cash flow and cash stockpiled where I can actually start shopping for an apartment complex. Believe it or not, I have submitted 2 offers on 2 different apartment complexes. And that's because of you guys. So I just want to say thank you, okay? I would not be where I'm at today if it wasn't for you guys watching this channel, subscribing, and showing the love. Closets of Las Vegas, we are doing a collaboration with them. We do a lot of business with them too as well. So I want to give them a quick shout out. If you guys ever need some custom closets, contact my girl Pat. They do more than that too as well. Make sure to check their website out. The owner is very super cool. You know, sometimes you meet some of these like business owners and they think they're like so hot shit because they got some money. And I understand. You got, you know, some of that FU money. And it's like you're so untouchable, which is cool, but whatever, man. If that floats your boat, that floats your boat. However, there are a lot of people out there, and this is a prime example for the owner of this company. You know, very well off, but you know what? Very humble. He knows where he's coming from, or where he came from, and he keeps it. He keeps it like that. And those are the kind of people that I like to do business with. Now, sometimes, you know, I do get a little bougie every once in a while, but I got to get a chin check from my wife, you know? And that's where, you know, my balance is. Sometimes I'll act cocky, and next thing you know, I'll fall off the pedestal. And I think that's just part of life, right? But at the end of the day, you know, I'm just your average person. I ain't doing nothing special. All I'm doing is working hard, putting the time, the money, and effort into what I'm doing, and believe in what I want and what I want to do. Look, at the end of the day, it's all about the hard work. Now, I know it's about this house, but now I'm going into it's all about me, so I do apologize. And I'm going to be real with you. This home is nothing exciting. I'm just doing a quick walkthrough just for you guys. Like, there's just nothing. This is just like, I feel like so stock and standard. But, I mean, just take a look at the floor plan. If the floor plan works for you, you can definitely doll this thing up. Right? I mean, the price is at $4-something, but, you know, $450. I mean, at this point, if you're looking for investment properties at the $450 point, this could probably be a good lick for you. What is this right here? This looks like a discoloration of the carpet, but no, it's the... So we have this little nook here. What do we have here? Bathroom. Well, we have storage underneath the staircase. Here's your 2-car garage. That's a sales office. So here's your main living room. Now we got 10-foot ceilings. Wow, this is an 8-foot with a 9-foot slide. No, these are 9-foot ceilings. I feel like sometimes they're like 10 feet, but it's not. It's 9 feet. Very high. You got a Blanca sink, some great cabinets, quartz countertops. This right here, you can definitely sand this down. You probably want to do this yourself. Believe it or not, quartz, you still have to seal the quartz, okay? You can damage the quartz. The good news is that it could always be fixed because it's a man-made product. Also, after this video, I'm going to be picking up Jessica and picking up my niece and probably take her shopping and stuff like that. That's one thing that's good about, you know, have kids, you know. I've got like nieces and nephews that I could be the funko, right? Pick them up, hang out, go spend some money, you know, take her shopping, do all of this. But all the rest of the boring stuff, we just drop her off back at her mom. But we're the cool uncle. We're a cool uncle and cool auntie. So I'm the funko. That's right. Yeah, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, click that subscribe button. Also, again, I just want to say I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And, you know, if you don't have a real estate agent, I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Also, the weird thing is that I had 3 calls this week where people were actually under contract on a brand new home build, and they were in deep water and they needed my help. But also, they had a real estate agent. I'm like, why are you calling me when you already have a real estate agent? I'm going to tell you, folks, there's no other real estate agent in the state of Nevada that knows more about new homes, the process and the procedures, and how things are handled more than I do. I can guarantee it. This is all I do. Every single day, non-stop. Unfortunately, it was very hard for me to help these people because they have an agent, right? It is what it is. But I was able to give them some advice, but to let them know, like, hey, you also need to speak to your agent. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas. Be blessed, and I wish you guys nothing but the best. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.